A genuine Cornish pasty, as defined by the Cornish Pasty Association, follows a specific recipe and method which generally yields 4 generous pasties, with slight adjustments to ingredient amounts. Here is a traditional style recipe, adjusted for 4 pasties based on the classic ingredients. Traditional Cornish style pasties makes 4 ingredients for the pastry: 400 grams strong bread flour, or plain all-purpose flour, 80 gram lard or white vegetable shortening, 100 gram cold butter, cubed 3 tsp salt, 140 ml cold water, or as needed. For the filling, 300 gram good quality beef skirt steak, cut into small cubes, about 2 cm, 225 Brian firm waxy potato, e.g. Maris pear, Yukon Gold, peeled and diced finely 110 grams swede, rutabaga, known as turnip in Cornwall, peeled and diced finely 110 grain yellow onion, peeled and sliced finely salt, and freshly ground black pepper. Be generous. 4 small knobs of butter, optional for placing on the filling. 1 egg, beaten with a splash of milk or water for glazing. Method 1. Make the pastry, ideally 3+ hours ahead. In a large bowl, mix the flour and salt. Rub the lard, shortening and cold butter into the flour mixture until it resembles coarse breadcrumbs. Some small lumps of fat are fine. Gradually add the cold water, mixing until a dough forms. Knead lightly for a few minutes until it's smooth and elastic. The use of strong flour helps with the elasticity needed for a sturdy pasty. Wrap the dough in cling film and chill in the fridge for at least 2 hours, or preferably 3 hours. This is crucial for rolling and shaping. Combine the diced raw beef, potatoes, swede, and sliced onion in a bowl. The ingredients must be cut small and thin, so they cook through inside the pasty. Assemble the pasties. Preheat your oven to 165 degrees, 325 degree fan, or 185 degrees, 365 degree if conventional. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Divide the chilled pastry into 4 equal pieces. On a lightly floured surface, roll each piece into a circle approximately 20 cm, 8 inches in diameter. A side plate works well as a guide. Take 1 pastry circle and layer 1/4 of the vegetables and meat mixture onto 1/2 of the circle, leaving a clear border around the edge. Layering. Traditionally, the vegetables are layered first, e.g. potato, swede, onion, followed by the meat. This lets the meat juices drip down and flavor the vegetables as it cooks. Seasoning. Season each layer generously with salt and pepper. Butter. Place a small knob of butter on top of the filling, optional. Brush the edge of the pastry with the egg glaze. Fold the empty half of the pastry over the filling to form a semicircle. Press the edges together firmly to seal. Starting at one corner, use your thumb and index finger to twist and fold the sealed edge over itself, repeating the action all the way around to create a thick, crimped seal. This is the traditional pasty handle. Place the pasties on the prepared baking sheet. Brush the entire pasty with the remaining egg glaze. Bake for about 50-55 minutes, or until the pasties are deep golden brown and the filling is tender and cooked through. The raw ingredients cook slowly inside the sealed pastry, creating the characteristic flavor. Allow to cool slightly on a wire rack before serving. The filling will be extremely hot.